Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 120. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4, 7. 5 and 7 here, 3 here. That means this is our 4. Don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and we can get rid of this 4. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 and 6 covering both of these boxes, so 8, 9, 8, 9. 8 and 9 here, so 5, 6, 8 here, and 5. So 6, 9. So if we look, the only place our 5 can be is here. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here. So 1, 7. 7, 4, and 9 here means this is our 1. That makes this our 7. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8, a 1 here. Or sorry, 8 there makes this 1, 5. 1 there makes this 5, 8. And no help here, so 1, 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this bottom row, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3. Now we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. This 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 8. And that 1 and that 8 makes this our 5, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 9, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.